659 million options contracts were traded by Robinhood users in Q4.
Oh, wow. The zero DTEs, assuming had something to do with that.
That is amazing.
Interesting. We talk about order flow at all?
Yeah. So just to be clear, Robinhood is not like, I think there's confusion about what the order flow is. You're not getting front run by Citadel. What's happening is that they're willing to pay a lot of money for that options, especially the options transaction, because basically the more liquid the market is, like the wider the bid ask spread, the more they want the retail orders to fill because they can use their algos and just
Yep.
market make money out of that spread, and it doesn't open themselves up to something called adverse selection, which we've talked about before. Is it's safe to say that you're probably not getting bamboozled by a whale or institution when you take that Robinhood flow. Whereas, I don't know, name your favorite trader. If like I'm a market maker and Paul Tudor Jones comes to me and says like, I want 100,000 put options there. I don't know if I want to give him those, right?
Yeah.
Because he tends to win. So,
Um,
but if there is any sort of downturn in like stocks or the economy, like Robinhood's revenues is just highly dependent on people trading more and more options. Enter the event contracts. That is the thing that they want to grow. That's their next leg. And it was kind of funny. They were talking about, well, we get them in for the event contracts, and then we cross sell them retirement plans. So
all you
that's
can eat
some
buffet.
futuristic business.
How about that? Good stuff, Jack. Jack bringing the heat. We'll talk about that a little bit more. Fantastic stuff. We got 4,000 people watching all across the globe right now. So kind. Please click subscribe, like, notify, that bell in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Thank you kindly. All right, we got some more selling coming in here in the equities. Another push lower. Dow was grinding lower, and then looks like ES and NQ took note of that. Just bottomed out there at 25,300 in the NQ. Could not stay above those 400s.
I am long two in the NASDAQ from 322.
322. Dakota says that's enough of the selling. Long two from 322.
Yeah, this is where I want to look to build a position now. If we could start to hold this level, I might even add another contract. Long two from 322.
Saw that sell off in the ES as well, bottoming out there. That latest push lower, bottoming out at 69.77, about 6-point bounce from there. Oh, look at gold. Gold turning around. Gold up about $25 here in the last 10 minutes. 50.87. Silver not pushing higher as much. Got something here on the books. 78 lot to the upside in the NQ. About 20 points higher, 335. And later. Starting to. Buyers continuing to face some headwinds here in the NQ.
Not seeing the buyers step in like we have the past few days.
No, we can. All right. We're about 75% of the way back down from that initial non-farm number, price, I should say. Trading 25,299. About 50 points more to go where we were trading when that non-farm number was released. Dow continuing to grind lower, down about 200 points off the session highs. Beneath the 300s now in the NQES. Not hold above 7,000. Now trading 69.79. Yeah. Good news is bad news, Jack?
They're
Like
digesting it.
Yeah, I mean, it's news. I don't know. It's not fantastic. I don't think it changes too much.
Well, some more looking at that tilt again. 71% short tilt in the ES now. Catch that move lower. Gold continuing to grind higher here. What else is moving around? What's going on in the CL? Again, CL was trending up and to the right. CL did roll over just a bit, about 25 cents off the highs. Still above 65 bucks, trading $65.50 in the crude. All right, new 5-minute did just but top of the hour is coming on with Bowman scheduled to Schmidt scheduled to speak. Is the juice updating for you, Jack?
Got the juice.
I have one from like 3 minutes ago. You have that?